Here we are again, Dad and Ali Cooks. Hi guys! We will be cooking a quick and satisfying meal for people on the go. This is fish mixed veggie meal. Just don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. So let's start! These are the ingredients that we need. We have our fish fillet, mixed veggies, chopped white onions, minced garlic, quail eggs, and shredded chicken. Approved by Boss Ali. And this is for our fish fillet. Later. In a preheated pan, we will put 40 grams of butter. And we'll let it melt. This will add moist and buttery taste to our mixed veggies. And after that, we will add our garlic. We need to saute our garlic for about 30 seconds. After we saute our garlic, we will add our onions. We need to saute our garlic and onions for about 30 seconds as well. And after that, we will be adding our leftover shredded chicken meat. We need to blend our onions, garlic, and chicken to have a flavorful mixed veggies. And then we will add our mixed veggies. So we need to cook our mixed veggies and all the ingredients for about 1 minute to mix and blend all the ingredients to our mixed veggies. Then we will add salt and also pepper to taste. This will spice up our mixed veggies a bit. To make it more yummy and tasty. Then we'll continue to stir our mixed veggies. And after that, we will be adding our creamy sauce. This creamy sauce will make our mixed veggies creamy and flavorful. We'll just have to spread it all over. And then we'll continue to mix. And then we will add our quail eggs. After we mix and blend, we will set this one aside. And we will start to make our fried rice. In our pan with leftover veggies, we will put about 20 grams of butter. We will let it melt and then we will add our leftover rice. Okay, so we will have to make our fried rice right now. Just continue stirring and mixing. Okay, and after that, we will cook this one for about a minute or two. So we're done with our fried rice. And right now, we will start frying our fish fillet. In a preheated pan as well, we will add 2 cups of cooking oil. Then we will start to fry our fish fillet. We have coated this one with breading mix, dipped in scrambled eggs, and covered with breadcrumbs. We will deep fry our fish fillet and we will cover it for about 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, we will flip the other side and cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, So our fish fillet is already cooked, and right now we will let it drip and we will put it in our kitchen towel to remove excess oil. Okay, so we're done cooking right now, and we will have to plate our fish mixed veggie meal. So here it is, our complete and satisfying meal with fried rice cooked with mixed veggies, crunchy fish fillet, and of course, our flavorful mixed veggies with quail eggs and shredded chicken. And of course, our creamy fish fillet sauce to complete your eating pleasure. So this is it, our fish mixed veggie meal.
Please like this video. If you have comments or reactions or suggestions, kindly comment down below. If you want more yummy and exciting videos, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our upcoming videos.
Thanks everyone for watching, and God bless us all.